Hello everyone, I want to share to you my experience of how to remove the name ring of the lens Helios 44M7, because in my case, and probably in your case too, the front plastic name ring not screwed in the filter thread. It's actually clicked in somehow to the front of this lens. I'm using the cheap metal screwdriver, but now I can say it's actually a wrong way. The metal screwdriver slightly damaged the plastic of the name ring and the paint of the rings inside the lens. So the better way is to use the plastic tools or wooden sticks. So how I did it? I insert the screwdriver like this, and apply the force this way. Very hardly apply the force this way. And the name ring just clicked out. And now I show you how it actually looks like from the inside. So the name ring looks like this. You see the steps here. Notice what the steps looks this way. And actually you see what I broke. Some steps. I broke this one and this one. One of these I lost completely, and another one is here. So actually you see the metal screwdriver, how the metal screwdriver damage the plastic name ring. So to remove it, you actually need to apply the force like this, not like this. So it is actually what I want to show you, how it looks from the inside when the name ring removed. So good luck to you to remove your name ring properly and no broke anything. Actually, I think I will not insert the name ring back. I just probably use the lens hood. I think this is totally okay. So good luck to you. Goodbye.